Facts about seagull. Meet the seagull, a clever, adaptable bird. Found across beaches worldwide, they are not just beach bums. Seagulls are skilled hunters too. These birds love a good meal. They're omnivores, eating everything from fish to chips. Nothing is off limits. Did you know they're also excellent flyers? They can hover, soar, and even walk on land with grace. Seagulls are sociable. They form large colonies that provide safety in numbers. And finally, they're smart. From opening bins to mimicking humans, their intelligence is truly remarkable. Seagulls, they're more than just beachside scavengers.